Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create something super fun. Yes, a cute and easy doodle art. You know what? Once upon a time, a blank page felt lonely. It whispered, I wish someone could make me smile. Then a tiny pen jumped in and said, Don't worry, I'll fill you with little happy doodles. And with every line, the page started laughing. So come on, my cuties, grab your pen, paper, and cup of creativity, and let's make our page smile together with doodle magic.
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though.
And ta-da! Our doodle world is alive, full of tiny stories, smiles, and imagination. See, doodle are not just drawings, they are your thoughts dancing on paper. If you had fun doodling with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because more cute and adventurous art coming your way. Till next time, my lovely art buddies, keep your heart happy, your pen busy, and your face full of smile. Bye bye.
Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.